Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to get new free bundles on Roblox. First of all, you have to go to in marketplace. Now you have to scroll down and go to in shorts and choose recently created. Now go to in head and head again. Now you will see this here animated show snow globe head. Click on it to get it. Click on buy button to get it. Click on get now and we got this item for free. So right now I own this item. Now you just need to go to an avatar, click on avatar again. Now you have to go to an head and body and go to style. Now you have to choose the new animated snow globe. So that's how it looks. Let me try in the 3D. So as you can see, it gives you a transparent head, or we can say it is a happy headless. And you can try this out. It is right now free, and just go and grab it as soon as possible. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.